Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to publish posts or videos on both Facebook and Instagram at the same time using the Meta Business Suite. As many of you know, recently Facebook has been going through a lot of changes with their new Meta Business Suite. They have removed the cross-posting feature that we used to have from the classic Facebook pages. However, with this new Meta Business Suite, they have introduced an advanced content management tool which allow us to create posts, stories, reels, and even access page analytics in one platform. Actually, it was called earlier as a Facebook Creator Studio, but now everything has moved to the new Meta Business Suite. So from now on, we just call it Meta Business Suite. Before we start our tutorial, we need to confirm that our Facebook and Instagram pages are linked to each other. Otherwise, you can't cross-posting on both pages in the Meta Business Suite. First, go to your Facebook page and switch to the page profile. Click on Settings and then click Link Accounts. In the Link Accounts section, click on the Instagram tab to check if your Instagram page is connected to your Facebook page. If it is not, make sure to link both pages now. Once they are linked, it should look something like this. Alright, now we are going to create and publish an image post on both pages. First, we need to log into the Meta Business Suite tool. To do this, go to the Google and search for Meta Business Suite. Scroll down until you find Meta for Creator and click on it. On the following page, click Try it out now. Now you are on the Meta Business Suite Creator dashboard. Select the page you want to work with from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple pages, they will appear here. My page is already selected. Alloy page is one of the social media assignment I have done at my university, and now I'm going to use it for this tutorial. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, you will notice several options such as create a post, create a reel, and when you click more, you will see create story, create ads, and many more. We'll be using the create a post option for this tutorial. Click on create a post and it will open a new interface. Here you need to select both your Facebook and Instagram pages. You can even choose a Facebook group if you have one. In the media section, you can upload your creatives. For this tutorial, I use the image post, but you can upload an image or video as usual. Once you upload your media, a preview will appear on the right hand side. You can switch platform preview here. And you can switch between desktop and mobile view here. Next, I have already prepared a caption, so I'll copy paste it into this text box. I have added emojis to make the caption more attractive. Also, I have put a web link and a few hashtags. The Facebook preview looked fine, but we have an issue with Instagram. Actually, there is no point in adding URLs to Instagram captions because in Instagram, caption links are not clickable. So we need to change Instagram caption. For that, click on Customize Post for Facebook and Instagram. This feature allows you to have two different captions for each platform. In the Instagram caption, I remove the URL and change it something like follow us Alawi font case. So I just put the page username, then people can easily visit or follow my page for more information. This feature is truly useful and wasn't available before. For the Instagram, you can also add location tag. Additionally, on Facebook, you can include a messenger button. Now the post creation part is complete. Let's move on to the publishing part. We have three options: publish now, schedule, and save as draft. It is always better to schedule your content for the right time with your audience rather than posting instantly. Based on my experience, I have found that posting in the morning can get higher organic reach from my page followers. So I schedule the post for tomorrow 8 a.m. on the both platforms. You can also click on the active time option to see when your audience is most active based on your past page analytics. That's it. Once you have completed all the necessary steps, click the schedule button. And remember, you can always edit your published content or schedule content by accessing the Content tab in the dashboard. Alright, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.